If you want to know about blockchain, its fundamental principles, and how the technology might progress, this video is for you. To help you better grasp the blockchain, we'll go through its essential components, different types of blockchains, and how the system was made in the first place. But before we start, like the video and subscribe to Crypto Assets. This video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, what is the blockchain? The blockchain is a decentralized and constantly growing list of encrypted records or blocks. Each block includes information on some of all recent transactions, a transaction counter, the block size, a block header, and the magic number, a cryptographic hash of a previous block, which is an answer to a mathematical equation completed by the computer when adding a new block. The blockchain is a distributed, public ledger containing every transaction's history. Anyone can access a copy of the blockchain, which can be inspected to trace the path of tokens from one transaction to another. While there is a record of every token transaction ever made, for example, Bitcoin transactions are not inherently linked to real-life identities. For this reason, Bitcoin is considered a pseudonym. Crypto tokens are not some files stored on your computer's hard drive like JPEGs or PDFs. Instead, owning cryptocurrencies means owning a token address with a balance recorded on the blockchain. To own a token address is to control the associated key and therefore allow the signing of the transactions. And what is a block? A block refers to a set of crypto transactions from a specific period. Blocks are stacked on each other, so one block depends on the previous one. So a chain of blocks is created, and that's where the term blockchain comes from. Finding and publishing new blocks is what crypto miners do to earn Bitcoin. Whenever a new block is created, approximately every 10 minutes, the miner who solved that block receives some rewards. Crypto miners keep the network secure. The system ensures that all transactions must be valid and keeps the token network safe from fraud and theft. If you ever waited for a new token transaction to be confirmed, you were just waiting for a new block to be published containing your transaction. When that happens, the token network deemed your transaction valid. But how can anyone view the blockchain? Many block explorer services allows you to look at what's in the blockchain. Here is one for example. By entering the website blockchain.info, you can explore the blockchain. And here are the 4 main types of blockchain. Blockchain may be classified into 4 types: public, private, hybrid, and consortium. Each blockchain has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and an appropriate use. So let's understand the difference between the 4. Public blockchain. Within the Web3 sphere, the most frequently used blockchain is the public blockchain. Bitcoin works on public blockchain, and it was the cryptocurrencies that paved the path for distributed ledger technology to become widely used. Public blockchain solved typical centralization issues by increasing transparency and security. Furthermore, the key benefit of this type of blockchain is reliability, which means that no one will have total control over the network. As a result, it protects the security of the data and helps with the maintenance of the records. Because all nodes linked to this public blockchain will have equal authority, the public blockchain will function as an entire distributed system. Bitcoin and Ethereum are 2 excellent examples. Private blockchain. A private blockchain is more limited and not accessible to the public. A single entity controls these blockchains. A private blockchain runs similarly to a public blockchain, with a peer-to-peer connection and is decentralized. The main difference is that it runs on a smaller scale within a specific company. Consider a private blockchain to be a more advanced intranet. Hybrid blockchain. A hybrid blockchain combines private and public blockchains functionalities. Organizations will be permitted to build a private, permission-based system in addition to a public, permissionless one. The data is locked off to the public with private blockchains, but with a hybrid, the organization may determine which data is open to the public and who can access the data. On a hybrid blockchain, transactions are typically made secret, but they may be confirmed if necessary by allowing access to an external smart contract that can verify the information. Consortium blockchain. The consortium blockchain, also known as a federated blockchain, is the fourth and final form of blockchain on our list. The consortium blockchain is similar to the hybrid blockchain. However, the organization's members operate on a decentralized network. In brief, it is a private blockchain that provides access to a specific group rather than a single organization, reducing the possibility of a single entity dominating the whole network. Predefined nodes control the consensus process in a consortium blockchain. A validator node initiates, receives, and validates transactions. Transactions can be received or created by member nodes. Wrapping up. Finally, blockchain technology is gaining popularity and is quickly gaining industry adoption. Each blockchain has the potential use that can increase trust and transparency while creating a better record of transactions. So, now that you've learned about the various blockchain types, it's time to make a choice. If you're new to blockchain, I recommend starting with a public blockchain and working your way up. However, working with the private or a hybrid blockchain might be the optimal choice if you're a company. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on crypto, NFTs, Web3 and finance. See you next time.